A very good morning to my little ones. Hello students, how are you? This is your Meghna ma'am and I welcome you to the online learning classes of Semstar Global School. So students, are you enjoying your online classes? I hope that you are enjoying your online classes. Okay, now today is your English language period. So as we have completed our 2 chapters in English language. That is the first one, naming words, noun, and the second word is gender. And today we will study about singular and plural. Now tell me one thing, that what is this? This is a marker? Yes, good. Why we call this a marker, not markers? Why? Can you tell me? Because this is singular, this is one, right? And if I ask you that tell me what are these, so what are these are markers, right? Why we add s into this? Because I have 2 markers now, right? When I have 1 marker, then you will say, ma'am, this is a marker, and now I am showing you 2 markers, right? So now you will say that, ma'am, these are markers. Why markers? Why s? Because this is singular, right? Because this is one, and these are plural. Why plural? Plural means more than a one thing, right? Singular means that one thing, and plural means more than one thing, right? Like for example, singular, plural. Singular and plural. So for example, singular bag, right? Singular means one thing. Singular means one thing. And if I have to write the plural form of a bag, if I have to write the plural form of a bag, so bags, B-A-G-S, we add s into this. Why? Because this is plural, and plural means more than one thing. Now next example is cup, right? So the plural form is cups, S. Jar, jars. Again we add s into it. Then book, book means one book, singular. And now books, so it is books, and it is a plural form. Book, books, S. So students, singular means one thing and plural means more than one thing. It could be 2, or it could be 3, or more than 3, right? If I ask you that what is this? This is singular or plural? So you will say, ma'am, this is singular. Why this is singular? Because this is a one thing, and then I add 2 more markers into this. So now this is plural form, right? Yes. Now there are some words like in which we have to add IES, right? Some words are like we have to add IES into the singular word. Like for example, the first one is, I have written puppy, P-U-P-P-Y, right? So the plural form of puppy is puppies, P-U-P-P-I-E-S. Now you can see that I just add I-E-S into the singular form of puppy. Now the second one is story. So stories, S-T-O-R-I-E-S. We add I-E-S into the singular form of singular word of story. Third one, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. The plural form of baby is babies, B-A-B-I-E-S, B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. So there are some words that we have to add I-E-S. Now there are some words into which we have to add E-S only, right? So we just have to add es into the plural form of that particular singular word. For example, the first one, like I have written table. So as you can see that the spelling of table is T-A-B-L-E, right? So over here E is written over here, right? So the plural form of table is tables, T-A-B-L-E-S. So we just add S. Now the second one, apple, apples, S. Now watches, now watch. So watches. Now you can see that I add es over here, right? So the singular word is watch and the plural form of watch is watches, W-A-T-C-H-E-S. Now the fourth, horse, horses, S-E-S. So we just have to S into the singular word of horse. Now for more example, class, C-L-A-S-S, class. So the plural form of class is classes, S-S-E-S, classes. Brush, brushes, B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Number 3, box, boxes, B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Number 4, bench, benches, E-S. So as you can see that I just added es into the singular form of these words, right? Like the first one, class, classes, brush, brushes, box, boxes, bench, benches. Now the next example is, now you can tell me that I have written the plural forms, right? As you all can see that I have written the plural forms. Like the first one is mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S. So mangoes means one mango or more than one mango. Mangoes means more than one mango, right? So if in case that for example that if I give you these words, so can you tell me the singular form of these plural words? You can, right? I know, because you all are very smart, yes, and intelligent, yes. So now mango, so the singular word is mango. Why mango? Because singular means one and plural means more than one. Now number 2, fans. So the singular form is fan. Fans means more than one fans, and fan, F-A-N, fan means one fan. Next, balls, B-A-L-L, ball. Fourth, flowers. So the singular form is flower. Now the next one, pencils. So the singular form, pencil. Right? Like pencils means more than one, and pencil means one single pencil. Right? Okay. So now what you have to do is, yes, the page number 23 of your English language book of your chapter number 3, that is change from singular to plural by adding s or es. Like the first one book, and it is written books, right? So one book means one book, and books, more than one book, right? Yes. Now number 2, one car. One car means one single car. 3. So what will you write? 3 car or 3 cars? You will write 3 cars. C-A-R-S. Cars. Why 3 cars? Because one car is singular and 3 cars means plural form. Like that only you have to just do this exercise. Okay. So yes, you just have to do this exercise and revise your chapter number 1, that is naming word, chapter number 2, gender, and as well as chapter number 3, that is singular and plural. And in case if you have any problem, so you can just message me and clear your doubts. Okay. So I hope students that this chapter singular and plural is clear to all of you now. And yes, so thank you and bye bye.